Hello guys, hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to show you how to make Wara Beske, or you can call it Wara or tofu. Okay, and it's been 6 years now, or almost 6 years since I last had this, and today I'm going to be making it. So come with me while I show you how it's done. So to a bowl, I'll be adding my soya beans. You can use any quantity of soya beans you want. Then I'll be adding water to that to rinse off the dirt attached to it. And I'm going to run this through a colander, okay, and take out the dirt. Then after I'm done doing that, I'm going to add more water to it and leave it to soak overnight, or you can soak it for a few hours then go ahead to blend. But this is me soaking it overnight. I'm going to go ahead to blend it. So to get your milk curdled, you will need lemon juice, okay? And if you don't have lemon, you can as well make use of lime or vinegar, all right? But here I have lemon, so I'm going to cut that, slice it into two, then squeeze out the juice, and I will add water to that. Ensure you add more water because later on I added more water than what you are seeing here. Then you want to go ahead to sieve it so that you can get rid of the seeds, and set it aside. Now to a bowl, I'll be adding water to that. Then get a cheesecloth. Then I'll pour in my blended or grinded soya beans into that. You can do it bit by bit, which is what I did. Then I'm going to go ahead to squeeze it out. Keep squeezing the milk out of the shaft, okay? And that's what I'm doing here, guys. You want to keep doing this till all the milk comes out, and you can as well run it through like twice. You can still take this to another clean water and get maybe some milk out of it again, but this first attempt is already enough for me. And here is the quantity of milk that I got, and I'm going to transfer that into a pot. Like, ensure that the pot is a bit wide, okay? Then I'm going to go ahead to take out the foam on top, then cover that to boil. Like, you have to bring it to a boil, but ensure that you keep your eye on it, because right now you can see that the milk actually boiled over before I could get my camera closer. And this is me adding my lemon juice bit by bit. You want to be doing this bit by bit. Just keep adding it. When it start boiling, then you add more. Just keep doing that until the water is no longer white. You will notice that the water is no longer white right now, so it's like yellow, like it will turn to a yellow color. Like, you can see that all the milk has already curdled, like it's all curdled. So that shows you that everything is okay, like it's all done. Yeah. So to get the tofu shape right now, I'm going to transfer the curdled milk into a sack bag and tie the mouth, then take it to a flat surface, then place an heavy duty on it to drain out the water. You want to ensure that you use a sack bag so that the water can drain out quickly or on time. So guys, it was at this point I realized that this method I'm using will not work for me, in the sense that the way I'm placing it right now. So what I did later is to place the sack bag on my grill pan, then place chopping board rather on it. Then before I added the mortar and the bucket you are seeing, you just saw rather, then to get this flat shape that is showing right now in this video. So guys, I'm going to go ahead to cut it into my desired shape. I can cut it to any desired shape of your choice as well. But at this point, the tofu is very, very tasteless. And to season it up, I'm going to transfer it into a pot, add onion. I'm going to go ahead to add pepper as well. So I'm using dry pepper here. You can as well use fresh pepper if that's what you prefer. Then next, I'm going to season it with seasoning cubes. Then next, I'll be adding salt to that. Just a little bit of salt, not too much. Then next, I'll add water to that as well. Then just mix it up a bit, and I'm going to go ahead to place it on the fire to cook properly. I want to boil this till the water dries off, like almost, you can see what I'm talking about. Then set that aside, and to a fry pan I'll be adding my vegetable oil. Then go ahead to fry it until golden brown, or just the way you want yours to be, because I like mine to be, really fried anyway. But this is me flipping over to the other side, and that's just it, guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and we have come to the end of this video. In fact, the last time I made this Beske by myself should be up to maybe 17 or 18 years ago, because I remember I was still in secondary school then, and I used to make it for sale, you know. So it's really, really, it's been a long time actually. So, and I enjoyed doing this again, and it came out so delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.